For supine pigeon, we're going to cross our right ankle over our left knee, and you're going to reach behind your left thigh, flex your right foot. So drawing into that right ankle will help protect the knee. And as you pull the legs towards you, I want you to think about pushing the back of the hips down towards the floor, so you create this natural arch behind your low back. And so you're pulling the leg in, gently assisting that right knee open. And if this feels like not enough for you, you can take a hold of the front of the shin as well to get a little deeper into that right hip. And then the other option for the supine pigeon is to do this against a wall. So you can come over to a wall and you lie on your back, place one foot up onto the wall and cross that ankle on top of the knee. Now you may need to adjust yourself further back away from the wall in order to get those hips flat. So listen to your body, make sure the pelvis is neutral, those hips are on the ground, and your hip isn't hiking towards your shoulder or towards your rib cage. So you want to keep that hip away so those hips are nice and level with each other. And then here you can just gently assist with that hand to help press the knee forward and maintaining that ankle dorsiflexion as well. And as you're here, just do some nice, deep, full belly breaths. In through the nose, and out through the nose or mouth.